How easy is it to tell the difference between humans and
AI? We brought together 6 humans.
I'm human.
I'm human. I am human.
I am human.
I am human.
I am human.
And 1 AI.
I am human.
Can AI outdo humans in creativity? It's a question sparking debates everywhere, and the answer might just surprise you. AI is generating artwork, composing music, and designing with mind-blowing precision. But does that mean the human touch is becoming obsolete? Or is there something about creativity, our emotions, intuition, and imagination that machines simply can't replicate? In today's video, we'll dive deep into this fascinating showdown between AI and human creativity. We'll explore how AI is reshaping the way we create, whether it's a tool to enhance our abilities or a threat to the creative professions we cherish. So what does the future hold? Collaboration or competition? Let's jump right in and find out. Defining creativity, what makes it unique? Creativity is often seen as a magical spark, a unique trait that sets humans apart from machines. But what exactly makes it so special? To understand this, we need to look beyond mere idea generation. Creativity involves emotional depth, personal experiences, and cultural context that shape our thoughts and expressions. Consider how a painter captures the essence of a sunset. The colors they choose are not just random, they reflect their feelings, memories, and even their cultural background. This emotional connection adds layers of meaning to their work. In contrast, AI-generated art may mimic styles and patterns, but lacks the ability to infuse personal significance into its creations. As we delve deeper into this exploration, we'll discover what truly defines creativity and how it differs between humans and AI. Is it merely about producing something new, or is there more at play? This question will set the stage for our discussion on the essence of creativity itself. The role of emotion in creative expression. Now let's talk about emotion, an integral part of creative expression. Think about the power of a song that resonates deeply with you. The artist's emotions pour out through every lyric and melody, creating a connection that transcends words. This emotional depth is a hallmark of human creativity. When artists create, they often draw upon their own experiences, joys, sorrows, triumphs, and failures. These emotions resonate with us because they are authentic and relatable. In contrast, AI lacks the ability to feel. It can analyze patterns but cannot experience the world as we do. While AI can generate music or poetry based on algorithms and data sets, can it truly evoke feelings in the same way a human artist can? For now at least, the answer is no. So it's clear that even with advanced algorithms, AI often feels like an observer, replicating what it sees without fully grasping the emotional essence behind it. AI as a creative partner, enhancing human ingenuity. Instead of viewing AI solely as competition, let's consider the possibility of collaboration. Think about how technology can serve as a tool to enhance our creative processes rather than replace them. Artists and writers are already using AI to brainstorm ideas, generate drafts, and even create visual art. For instance, tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 can assist writers by providing suggestions or generating content based on prompts. Visual artists are using AI algorithms to create stunning pieces that blend human creativity with machine learning capabilities. This partnership can lead to unexpected innovations and fresh perspectives that neither could achieve alone. We can look at how creatives are leveraging AI to push their boundaries. Imagine a musician collaborating with an AI program that analyzes their style and suggests new melodies or harmonies. This fusion of human intuition and machine efficiency could redefine what it means to be creative. Moreover, consider how filmmakers are integrating AI into their storytelling processes. By analyzing audience preferences and trends, AI can help creators craft narratives that resonate more deeply with viewers. This doesn't diminish the role of human creativity. Instead, it enhances it by providing valuable insights. Originality versus copy-paste. The risks of AI in creativity. As we embrace AI in the creative realm, there's a critical question we need to tackle. Could this reliance lead to a loss of originality? When algorithms generate content based on existing data, there's a risk of producing work that feels repetitive or formulaic. Consider how many songs follow similar chord progressions or lyrical themes. This isn't just coincidence. It reflects trends in popular music influenced by data-driven analysis. If AI continues to learn from existing works without introducing new ideas or perspectives, we might find find ourselves in a world where creativity becomes predictable. One example is the film industry, where studios might rely on data analytics to determine which scripts are likely to succeed based on past hits. While this approach can reduce financial risk, it may also stifle innovation by favoring familiar formulas over original storytelling. With that in mind, while we might trade some diversity for convenience, keeping creativity alive requires us to be intentional. If we encourage humans and AI to work together, use diverse data, and prioritize originality over speed, we can make sure unique voices still shine, even with AI in the mix. Future job market implications for creatives. The rise of AI is reshaping the landscape of creative professions, but what does that mean for those working in these fields? While some fear job displacement due to automation, others see opportunities for new roles that didn't exist before. For example, consider graphic designers who now incorporate AI tools into their workflows. These tools can automate repetitive tasks like resizing images or generating mock-ups, allowing designers to focus on more complex aspects of their work. Similarly, writers can use AI for research or idea generation while retaining control over narrative voice and style. Creatives have to adapt to this changing environment and find ways to thrive alongside emerging technologies. It's not about replacing human talent, it's about augmenting it with powerful tools that enhance our capabilities. Moreover, new roles are emerging within creative industries. Think about positions like AI ethicist or creative technologist. These professionals bridge the gap between technology and artistry, ensuring that ethical considerations are taken into account while harnessing the power of AI. Cultural nuances. Can AI truly understand context? Cultural context plays a crucial role in storytelling and artistic expression. Each piece of art or writing is often steeped in cultural significance that shapes its meaning. Think about how folklore influences literature or how regional styles define visual arts. However, can AI truly grasp these nuances? While algorithms can analyze data from various cultures, they lack lived experience. The ability to understand context deeply comes from being part of those cultures. As we explore this topic, it's essential to think about whether AI can truly create content that connects with diverse audiences, or if they're bound to miss the mark. Imagine an AI attempting to write a story rooted in cultural traditions. It may produce text based on patterns, but might miss subtleties that only someone immersed in that culture would understand. This raises important questions about authenticity and representation in creative works generated by machines. Furthermore, consider how humor varies across cultures. What's funny in one culture may not translate well into another context when generated by an algorithm without cultural awareness. This highlights why human insight remains invaluable in crafting narratives that resonate globally. Ethics of AI-generated content. With the advancement of AI-generated content comes a number of ethical dilemmas that cannot be ignored. Who owns the rights to an artwork created by an algorithm? What happens to the authenticity of art when it's produced by a machine? These questions are vital as we navigate this new landscape where machines contribute significantly to creative fields. If an artist uses an AI tool to generate part of their work, do they retain full ownership? What if someone uses an algorithm trained on existing works without permission? As creators embrace these technologies, establishing clear guidelines around ownership and attribution will be essential for maintaining integrity within artistic communities. Additionally, transparency becomes crucial. Viewers should know when they're engaging with content generated by machines versus humans, so they can make informed judgments about authenticity. The philosophical debate: can machines be truly creative? Finally, let's dive into one of the most intriguing questions in this debate. Can machines ever truly be creative? While AI can mimic styles and generate outputs based on data analysis, does that equate to genuine creativity? Some argue that creativity requires consciousness, an understanding of self-awareness and intent behind each creation, which machines or AI inherently lack. Others believe that if an algorithm produces something novel or valuable, even if it doesn't possess awareness, it still qualifies as creativity. Exploring this dilemma reveals deeper insights into creativity, challenging us to decide if it requires consciousness and intent, or if novelty and value are enough. As technology advances rapidly, grappling with these fundamental questions will help us define our relationship with AI in creative spaces. Ultimately, whether one views AI-generated outputs as creative or not may solely depend on their personal definitions surrounding art itself. It's a reflection on both the limits of technology and our evolving perception of true artistry. And that's a wrap on our journey into AI and human creativity. We've explored what it means to create, questioned AI's role in art, and reflected on the balance between innovation and authenticity. Clearly, the future holds exciting possibilities, but can machines ever truly capture creativity, or will the human spark always stand apart? If you found this discussion interesting, feel free to drop a like and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.